Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get real-time data on NinjaTrader. And we can do this on two ways, and I will show you today how you can do this. The first way, what you need to know, that if you want to get the real-time data on NinjaTrader, we first need to go right here to ninjatrader.com, to our account right here. And if you didn't fund anything to your account, you see right here that you need to fund to set up your live account, because I fund right here around $2. And now he is saying live account is active. And if I go right here to plans, you see right here that we are having right here a bundle on market data. So this is a way how you can get the real-time data on NinjaTrader. If you don't fund your account and if you don't want to do that, you can buy yourself right here a plan on NinjaTrader. So you can buy it right here, and then with that plan you have access to the real-time data on NinjaTrader. But keep in mind, it's a lot of money, so decide for yourself if you want to do that. I'm not giving advice in that, but I recommend you to fund right here money to your account. That is the best way in my opinion. So this is exactly how you can get real-time data to NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.